Do you know someone who always wants to do more and reach higher? That person might be ambitious, and this word is very useful to describe strong goals. Ambitious means having a strong desire to achieve something important. It often means you want to succeed or improve yourself a lot. Some learners think ambitious means just working hard, but it really means having big goals. It is not about being busy, but about aiming high. Common patterns with ambitious are: be ambitious, have ambitious plans, be ambitious about, or ambitious goals. We often say someone is very ambitious. She's ambitious and wants to become a doctor. He made an ambitious plan to start his own business. They are ambitious students who always study hard. My ambitious goal is to run a marathon next year. Anna dreamed of building a company. Everyone said it was hard, but her ambition kept her going. Years later, she became a successful entrepreneur. Think of an ant working hard and reaching high. Ambitious sounds like ant big, so remember, ants are small but ambitious to climb big things. Remember, ambitious means strong goals. Use it to describe yourself or others. Try saying it now and share your big dreams in the comments.